Greetings from our channel. In order to bring you the best spark plugs for 2023, we are delving into the world of engines and combustion today. Stay tuned as we reveal the spark plugs that will ignite your engine's performance, whether you're a car fanatic or you simply want your vehicle to run as efficiently as possible. Let's accelerate and get going. Number 5. For drivers that value performance, the NGK 5464 BKR5EIX 11 Iridium 9 spark plug is an excellent option. It was created with the enthusiast in mind and has a number of advantages that make it a great choice for high-performance engines. The 0.6mm laser-welded tiny iridium tip, which guarantees both better throttle responsiveness and high ignitability, is one of the distinctive features. Better engine performance and smoother acceleration are the results of this. This spark plug's major strength is durability, made possible by the iridium alloy's extraordinarily high melting point. This gives it exceptional heat and electrical wear resistance, which is essential for today's high-performance engines. The NGK 5464 also features design features including a triple gasket seal to stop combustion gas leakage, a larger insulator nose to avoid fouling, and corrugated ribs on the insulator. Together, these characteristics increase the durability and dependability of the spark plug. In conclusion, the NGK 5464 BKR5EIX 11 Iridium 9 spark plug is a superb option for individuals looking to boost throttle response, longevity, and engine performance, especially in high-performance automobiles. Number 4. The NGK spark plug ILZKR7B117751 is proof of NGK's stellar performance and quality standards in the spark plug industry. NGK spark plugs are famous for their remarkable mix of performance and durability, making them frequently selected as original equipment. The dependability of these spark plugs is one of its most important qualities. The NGK brand has continually produced items that can withstand the demands of automobile use, and the ILZKR7B117751 is no exception. You can rely on NGK to give you a solid and durable spark plug solution whether you're a seasoned mechanic or an avid do-it-yourselfer. However, it's crucial to confirm compatibility with your particular car, including engine type, trim level, and required number, before making a purchase. This listing comes with a set of 6 spark plugs, making it appropriate for a variety of uses. In conclusion, NGK's reputation as a top-tier OEM manufacturer makes the NGK spark plug ILZKR7B117751 a premium option for consumers seeking dependable ignition performance and lifespan. Number 3. For individuals looking for spark plugs that are both durable and effective, the Autolite Iridium XP spark plugs, in particular the XP5702, stand out as a good pick. Depending on your engine type, these spark plugs, which were built to survive the test of time, have an exceptional extended change interval and can last up to 100,000 miles. They rank among the most resilient spark plugs on the market today because of their longevity. The fuel efficiency of the XP5702 plugs is also exceptional. Their laser-welded technology and 0.6mm fine-wire iridium center wire tip increase fuel efficiency. These carefully designed electrodes produce targeted and reliable ignitability, which eventually results in lower fuel usage. In addition, Autolite's history in spark plug production, which dates back to 1936, attests to their dependability and credibility in offering OE replacement spark plugs. These spark plugs are made of especially high-quality materials. They have a ground wire covered by platinum for maximum performance with different ignition systems, including DIS systems. Additionally, the ground electrode's V-trim trim improves ignitability for excellent performance. In conclusion, people looking for spark plugs with a long lifespan and low fuel use may consider the Autolite Iridium XP spark plugs, XP5702. They are a dependable choice for your automobile needs because of their reputation in the industry for quality and performance. Number 2. For anyone wishing to improve the ignition performance of their car, the BDFHYK Platinum Spark Plug Set, compatible with a variety of Ford and Lincoln vehicles including the Expedition, F-150, F-250, F-350, F-450, Mark LT, and Navigator, is a noteworthy option. These spark plugs have better ignition characteristics and give quicker, more sensitive ignition jumps, which significantly improves power output. They make it easier for combustion to take place fully, effectively lowering pollutant emissions. Additionally, they have a service life that is longer than that of normal platinum plugs, often between 30,000 and 40,000 kilometers. These spark plugs are made by a TS16949 certified manufacturer who adheres to OE performance and durability standards. They are designed with fine iridium electrodes for superior ignition performance. The isostatic ceramic insulators have a high density, great strength, and excellent insulation. These spark plugs work with a variety of part numbers, making them a dependable option for car enthusiasts. You can buy with confidence knowing you're boosting the ignition performance of your vehicle thanks to their superb craftsmanship, assured quality, and OE-level longevity. Number 1. The XP5683 is one example of the great engineering and performance found in the Autolite Iridium XP spark plugs line of automobile spark plugs. Depending on your engine type, these plugs are made to last up to 100,000 miles, making them some of the most durable choices available. They stand out due to their dedication to fuel efficiency. These spark plugs have a laser-welded, 0.6 mm fine wire iridium center wire tip that optimizes fuel efficiency. This design guarantees focused and reliable ignitability, which reduces fuel consumption and is a wonderful feature for drivers that value performance and the environment. The performance of Autolite's Iridium spark plugs is improved by their improved longevity and ignition focus in addition to their efficiency. In the field of OE replacement spark plugs, Autolite is a reputable and trusted brand with a history dating back to 1936. Each spark plug also comes with a V-trimmed ground electrode for better ignitability and a platinum-protected ground wire for maximum efficiency across a variety of ignition systems, including DIS systems. Autolite's Iridium XP spark plugs are a great option if you're searching for a spark plug that combines longevity, fuel efficiency, and high performance.